Hello, welcome to the first video in drawing horses. We're going to start with quite a straightforward drawing so that we understand the physical mechanism of the horse. And a horse basically breaks down into a front section. So if we use simple, strong shapes, it's easier for us to draw our horse without getting too overwhelmed by the details. So the front section is always the breast part of the horse. The middle section is a curved section that joins the front to the back. That front part has a split down the middle, if we're seeing it in 3/4. And the middle is where the saddle goes. So that's curved there. And that joins onto the hindquarters, which are quite rounded. And we know that the hindquarters are where the legs come from. And the legs are a little bit counterintuitive to draw. They are seemingly bent the wrong way to begin with, but that's because the horse's legs are contracted compared to ours. So its knee is up here, and the rest of it can be thought of really almost as a long hand. We want to get our horse in balance. So if we do our front leg like this, going down in 2 sections, then we also want to get the back leg in at the same time so there's some sense of balance on the horse. Again, working on the same model, curving this way and then this way. The horse's leg is all curved bones. As long as you can draw with these curves, you will get that horse feeling. Then it's got a smaller section here, which is sort of its hand, and it has a very distinctive shape here for its hoof. So try and follow these lines to get these distinctive curves that are very typical of a horse. You can accentuate certain parts in order to make the thing look more realistic. You can make some of the muscles larger, and you can put some more detail into the muscle groups as well as you go on. Coming back to the front of the horse has strong muscles here. In the case of this muscle, it's a rounded, strong muscle that then has the leg coming down, again doing that slight backward curve there, and then it has quite a strong knee, which is usually about there, and then it has a final curve there going down to the ground, almost like a pair of flared trousers there, ending in that very distinctive hoof shape again. So we look for these curves, look to get the balance in the leg so that we feel that there is weight coming down through the leg, like that, and then get that breast properly done. Here, where the leg comes straight from this muscle, there's very little creasing. But if we lift this leg, for instance, say we were to lift this leg up to here, then we would get a projected muscle here, and we would get some creasing here on the horse's body. There's his little elbow there, and again that muscled curved bone, like that. So that goes forward